Hey, after spending weeks with the KEF LS50 Wireless II, I realized something important. The biggest shift in audio isn't about loudness or fancy specs. It's about connection. It's the moment when every note feels intentional, every instrument feels alive, and every track sounds like it's revealing something you never heard before. This isn't for people who are okay hearing music the way everyone else does. This is for someone who notices subtleties, the texture in vocals, the air around cymbals, the space between notes. You're the kind of person who doesn't just play a song. You feel it. Before you go any further, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Premium speakers with this level of performance don't stay consistent in availability forever. You know the exact moment your old setup started disappointing you. That frustration when a track should feel immersive but instead sounds flat. The times you turned it up and still didn't get presence. That's when you realize you're no longer willing to settle. Using the LS50 Wireless II day after day, the first thing you notice isn't that it's loud. It's that it's transparent. The sound isn't just coming at you, it feels like it's unfolding around you. Vocals sit in the room with you. Low end is tight, not boomy. Highs are crisp, not harsh. Everything feels natural, not exaggerated. Right now, take a quick look at availability again. Waiting on decisions like this is how configurations slip away or prices climb. If part of you wonders whether you'll really hear the difference, that doubt melts fast. The surprise isn't volume, it's dimension. Songs you know by heart suddenly have layers. You catch details you never noticed before. That's not just sound, that's discovery. Owning these speakers changes how you sit down to listen. You don't just press play, you anticipate it. That's not a small feeling. That's pride in ownership. You hear tracks with lifelike clarity, you trust the balanced, effortless sound, you enjoy depth you didn't know existed, you feel fully immersed in every genre, you appreciate sound that feels natural. They're not tiny, setup space matters, price is higher than basic options. Eventually, standing in comparison stops being useful. You already know what true sound feels like. Every time you glance at something weaker, you imagine that flat, uninspired feeling creeping back in, and you go right back to this because you want real sound, not compromise. Don't let this upgrade be something you think about months later with a bit of regret. If you want speakers that finally match what your ears have been asking for, this is the moment to act while this configuration is still available.